Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to make cabinet slide and draw. So this is mostly similar to making a draw, but the slide in doesn't need to have the sides to be too big. So in my case I had used 1/3 inch for the sides. So these are my sides and these are my friends, right? So it's just 1/3 and the plywood thickness is 3/4 inch. To make it strong, I made it every base, sides, everything has 3/4 inch. So the base is going to go inside the frame. So I'm going to use the pocket hole screw method here. Let's go ahead and do this. Okay, so our next step is to put pocket hole screws in the front and the back piece. You don't need to do it on the side piece. Uh, Two of the four connecting pieces needs pocket hole screw. So in my case I'm using front and the back because my side pieces would have the draw slides. So front and back is the perfect place to have the pocket hole screws. So the way I'm going to do the pocket hole screws is, if you take two pieces and connect like this, your screw should go from here to this way, so it has some meat. So if you can see, it has to go this way, so it has this much of material to hold. If you go inside to out, you can see it's already coming out on this side and it has a very little of meat over here. It is easy to break. So there would be holes shown in the front. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use a plug here and cut the plug, then use some wood filler, then paint it. So while you're using pocket hole screws, only one thing you have to really see here. So there are three size of pocket holes you can make: 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1.5 inch. These are the material size itself. So mine is a 3/4 inch plywood. So I did set the collar to 3/4 inch, and over here I did set it to 3/4 inch. This one, this you need to press it and push it down or pull it up to change the settings. That's all you need to check before you do your pocket hole screws. So that's the same process for all other front and back frames. So let's go ahead and do this for all the front and back. Then let's go ahead and fix it. So this is my side piece, which is as one single piece for the whole length. So side piece, always keep it as one single piece, and the front is same size as the inner piece. So this is how it looks. This is the bottom side, so every screws is going to go inside this piece. So make this one flush and see where your nails should not go, then put for the rest of the place. We go one, okay, hold everything tight and put some nails. So there we go. Just with the nails itself, it looks a lot steady. These are the marks from my rubber mallet when I was trying to take this piece out. So I'll do a final sanding, then use some wood filler for these exposed edge, then I will prime and paint this. So the next one. Now we should be able to put the screws inside, which will hold this tight, and we are all set to go. And same as screws for the side piece. Okay, this is the plug I'm using for the Craig jig holes. So that doesn't goes all the way flush. So what I did is I used some glue, inserted it. Then after the glue dried, I used oscillating tool to cut it off flush. Then I sanded it. So you can see after sanding the result. Yeah. So once every screw is inside, let's see how stable it is. For now, it looks so good.